This is the best match of the season of this game.
I think so. I think for the second half we changed the attitude. First half we didn't play so well, and we showed the attitude that East Bengal players have in the second half.
The opponent coach plays a lot regarding Vishnu. Do you think?
Yeah, I think
gets full
Vishnu.
90 minutes
Yeah,
every
yeah.
match?
Vishnu was playing already good for the last matches. Today, maybe a little bit tired. The change was needed, but he shows in the second half. 45 minutes is enough for Vishnu to show how good he is.
You tell how coach motivated you in the dressing room in the half time.
I think that was the attitude, not only the coach, but everybody. Everybody wants to think about the first half and not repeat again. First half was really, really bad. We let again concede one goal from throwing, but it's unsettable. It's lack of concentration. But and then second half, everything comes great again.
It's a relief how you played tonight. Also, are you also expecting some great matches from Keaton Silva in the upcoming game?
Yeah. I think it's hard when you not having too many minutes. From the first leg, I know I did not have so many minutes to play. But now maybe with the injuries and all, maybe this can be like my moment to take my chance and show that I can play the 90 minutes and help the team as well. Okay. Thank you guys.
আরে ভাই যখন নিয়ে করছি তুই আমাকে চাপছিস কিন্তু পুরো পুরো তোর পাটটা পুরো আসছে